Allied health careers in the USA. A 2026 shortage opens major doors for international professionals. In 2026, U.S. hospitals will face a major shortage of allied health professionals, creating unique job opportunities for qualified international workers. Physiotherapists in the U.S. can expect salaries ranging from $68,000 to $105,000 per year in 2026. Radiographers earn competitive pay, with most U.S. jobs offering between $60,000 and $100,000 annually. Occupational therapists usually earn $65,000 to $95,000 per year while working in the United States. U.S. employers routinely sponsor visas for allied health jobs, including dietitians, social workers, and sonographers. Visa options include H-1B, H-1B1, and TN visas, each with distinct eligibility for allied health professionals. H-1B covers most allied health roles. TN benefits Canadian and Mexican citizens. H-1B1 serves Singapore and Chile applicants. Every state requires licensing. Apply to state boards, provide transcripts, credentials, and complete background checks. Foreign degrees must be evaluated by U.S. agencies such as FCCPT for PTs or CGFNS for other health workers. Prepare for and pass required U.S. licensing exams in your professional field, often a key step for practice. Employers often provide direct visa sponsorship and may offer green card support for permanent residency in the U.S. The EB-3 is the main green card route for most allied health jobs. EB-2 applies to advanced degree holders. The U.S. migration journey: secure a job offer, complete licensing, obtain your visa, arrive, then pursue permanent residency. Your American healthcare career is waiting. Take the first step on your U.S. migration journey today.